Hi guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have a brand new subscription box to share with you guys. This one is called RELAXOLOGY and it is supposed to be a monthly box for relaxing and de-stressing. It is $37.95 a month, I want to say. I will leave all of that information in the description box as well as a discount code that I have for you guys. Okay, so let's see. I am very curious to see what is in this box. I like the rainbow tape on here. Very cute, more rainbow tape. Okay, we have a big card. Oh, it's a paper. Oh, this is nice. That tells you about everything in here. Wow, look at this. I'm excited. Okay, let's see. So I know that all of the products in this box are supposed to be artisan from like Etsy sellers or small shops, things like that. So this is from Yippee Co. Sparkling Pomegranate Bubbling Bath Salt. Ooh, that sounds fun. And it's kind of purple. Nice. Okay, let's see. What else do we have? Cashmere Succulent Clean Soft Flavors. What is this? Simplicity Teas. Okay, it's tea. Well, this is so interesting. It came in like a little test tube thingy. I want to smell this. Nice. Oh, a little tea steeping thing that looks like a little strawberry. That's super cute. Love it. Oh, a little rock that says believe, and it's like on a keychain. Some more Yippee Co. Whipped Sugar Scrub. Ooh. I'm gonna smell this. It smells good, sweet and fruity. I will absolutely use this. I love scrubs. Okay, and the Simplicity Tea's Cashmere, an organic small batch herbal tea made with white tea, Pai Mu Tan, is a succulent, clean, soft flavor to savor and enjoy time. Have fun with the cute strawberry silicone infuser. Cute. The Polished Stone Believe Keychain, a daily reminder to never give up, always believe in your hopes and dreams. There's more. Let's see. Snickerdoodle cookies. What is this? What is this? I have to know what this is. Luxe Sugar Mama Snickerdoodle cookie candle. Parasoy candle. Oh my gosh, that smells good. If you've never had a Snickerdoodle, it's basically a sugar cookie rolled in cinnamon and sugar. They're so good. This is a bath bomb, also from Yippee Co. Rose Bath Bomb. Stoney River Rosemary's Garden Super Soothing Skin Lotion. An all-natural paraben-free lotion that leaves your skin silky smooth. This creamy lotion moisturizes and provides relief on dry, chapped skin, leaving skin soft and touchable. Perfect for everyday use. Okay. Oh, that has an interesting scent to it. It's kind of herbal smelling, but like also a little bit sweet and fruity. It smells really good, actually. Okay, and it says on this little thing, RELAXOLOGY, self-care in a box is all about creating opportunities to take care of your body, improve mental health, and overall well-being. Self-care equals self-love. Our vision is to connect and partner with other small businesses, offering our subscribers high-quality artisan products that aren't found in stores, mindfully choosing a variety of products, along with fun accessories and other goodies to provide a luxurious experience shipped right to your home. How fun! So they just started. I think this is their first box ever. So I am excited about this. This seems like a really fun box. It looks like a lot of thoughtfulness went into this. I like the variety of items. You've got a lotion, a candle, a body scrub, you know, some bubbling bath salts that I'm curious about, and a bath bomb, and some tea. This is all just really wonderful stuff. I'm so excited about this box. How fun! Oh, and they sent me a little present. Thank you, Rebecca. Enjoy this soothing lip balm from Stoney River. We hope you like the inspirational bracelet too. Oh, that was sweet of them. So this doesn't normally come in the box, but that was sweet of them to send me a present for doing a video for them. Life is a journey, not a destination. Oh, that's cute. I really do like this bracelet. Very cute. And then a lip balm. You can never have too many lip balms. Okay, well, I will leave all of the information in the description box. And oh, my hands feel so soft. Oh my gosh, I love that lotion. Wow. Anyway, what was I saying? Description box, discount code, all that good stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you to RELAXOLOGY for sending me this box to share with you guys. It's awesome. I love it. Good job. Keep up the good work. All right, well, thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.